Okay, grade 4 is we are going to practice multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit numbers today. So I'd like you to go get a piece of paper and a pencil, pause the video, and then come back because I would like you to do this with me. Okay, so go ahead. Go get a pencil and a piece of paper. Okay, you're back. I would like you to draw a hundreds chart. So you're going to draw what I'm doing here. Make sure you have a pencil, not pen, because we're going to be reusing this. If you want to make this in pen, go for it. That's actually a good idea, or marker. That way it's permanent. Then you can erase the numbers on the inside. Okay, and for this line, I'd make it a little thicker. Okay, and we're going to multiply. So once you made this, again, I would pause the video. I would make this, actually it's a good idea to make it a marker or pen, that way it's permanent. And then when you're done, unpause me. Okay, we're ready to go. I would like you to write these numbers. So 26 multiplied by 6. So I want you to pause the video again, and I want you to try to do that and show me all your work, and then unpause me and I'll give you the answer. Okay, so pause. Okay, you're back. I hope you did this. Okay, so we're starting in the ones column. So 6 groups of 6 is 36. So I'm going to put 6 ones in the ones column. And then I have 3 groups of 10 that I'm going to sit on top of my tens column. So it's 30, 3 groups of 10, and 1 group of 6, 36. Now I'm going to multiply this way. So 2 groups of 6 is 12. But I can't forget my lonesome 3. Remember, we don't want to forget our little 3's up here. So 2 groups of 6 is 12, plus the 3 on top, which is 15, or 15 tens. So I have 5 tens, because that's actually 150. So I have 5 tens, which is 50. And then I'm going to put my 1 over here. So the answer is 156. Okay, if you didn't get that right, I want you to rewind, go back, and watch me do that again for you. If you got it right, you get to try this one. So erase your numbers. Forget your little 3 on top. And we'll do 1, maybe 2 more. So multiply this time, let's go bigger. 74 times 3. Okay, so pause, try it, and then when you're done, unpause the video. Okay, so you finished it, you have your answer. Let's see if you're right. 4 groups of 3 is 12. So I'm going to put my 2 here, and my group of 1, I'm going to sit on top. So 4 groups of 3 is 12. I have 2 ones and 1 group of 10. I'm going this way. 7 groups of 3, and I memorized my times tables, so I know that's 21. So 7 groups of 3 is 21. But I'm in the tens column, that's actually 210. So I have 1 group of 10 plus this one. Don't forget this guy on top. So 7 groups of 3 is 21 plus this one, which is 22. Because you're adding 1, right? We're adding 10 actually. Right? This is a group of 10, don't forget. So say it again. 7 groups of 3 is 21 groups of 10, plus this one, which is 22 groups of 10, which is 220 actually. So I have 2 10s, and then I have 2 over here. So 7 groups of 3 is 21, plus this one, which is 22. Okay, so the answer is 222. Okay, let's do one more, just to be safe. And again, if you're having a hard time, go back and watch them again. Because I'm going to upload sometime this week a division video. We'll do that next. Okay, let's do 38 times 2. Okay, so pause the video, give it a try, and then we'll do it together. Okay, you're back. So 8 groups of 2 is 16. I have 6 1s, and I'm going to put my group of 10 on top. Right, so 8 groups of 2 is 16. I'm going to put my 6 in the 1s column, and my 1 I'm going to put on top. 3 groups of 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, or 70. So 3 groups of 2 is 6. I add my 1. So get into that habit of, or that rhythm almost of going 3 times 2 plus 1, right? 3 groups of 2 plus 1. Don't forget the 1. If there's nothing there even, still go up here and look. Oh, there's nothing there, so plus 0. But if you get into that habit, 3 groups of 2 plus, and just do that every time. So 3 groups of 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. And you get into that rhythm or that habit. Okay, and that's it. I'm done. So the answer is 76. Let's do one more to be safe. Let's multiply, don't forget your 1 on top. 83 times 6. A bit bigger this time. Okay, so pause the video, give it a try. Okay, you're back. So 3 groups of 6 is 18. I'm going to put my 1s here and my 10 on top. 8 groups of 6 is 48, plus 1, which is 49. So 8 groups of 6, 48 plus 1. So remember, 8 multiplied by 6 plus 1. 8 multiplied by 6 plus 1. Get into that habit of doing that. 8 groups of 6 plus 1, right? 8 groups of 6 plus 1. Don't forget that plus up here, though. That's very, very important. So I put my 9 here, and my 4 is going to go in this column. So the answer is 498. Okay, so to repeat, 3 groups of 6 is 18. Put my 8 in the 1s column, the 1 on top of the 10s column. 8 groups of 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49. So 9 10s and 4 100s. Okay, so if you have any more questions, or if you need to practice it, go back and do it again. Use the hundreds chart. If that helps you, use it. And then once you get really good at it, you can take that away. You won't need it anymore. Think of it as training wheels when you're first trying to learn how to ride a bike. The training wheels will get your confidence up, get your skill, get your balance, then eventually you will be able to remove them. Okay, so consider the hundreds chart kind of like training wheels on a bicycle. It'll train you in how to do it. Okay, good luck. Any questions? If you get stuck, send me a little message through Google Classroom and I can send you some extra practice if you'd like. Okay, take care.